Hello, programmers. Welcome back to another session of my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be seeing how to create a virus. So, let's get into the video. So, in this video, we're gonna see what are the types of hackers, how a virus is attacked, how the source code of the virus will look, and how does the virus work, and how to prevent it. Only if it is possible to prevent it. There are some viruses which you can't actually prevent them. So we'll go step by step. Let's see what all types of hackers are there. There are normally three types of hackers: white hat, black hat, and gray hat hackers. So, what is a white hat hacker? White hat hackers are people who are specified in hacking to check the faults of the system. They only check it and they report it. They won't do anything harm to the system. And there are the second type, which are the black hat hackers. These people are normally the person who we see on the newses and all. They break into the system and they take what all the necessary documents they require or the data of the users they require. They harm the network and also its properties so that they can benefit with those data. And there is a third type of hackers, they are gray hat hackers. Normally, they exploit the system with the permission of the owner. Uh, if you take an example of Bugatti or Rolls-Royce cars, they hire an expert thief who can rob cars by breaking their security system before they actually release their cars to the world. The reason they do that is because they have to assure the user that their system is 100% safe. So those kind of people are called the gray hat hackers. Let's go to the second part, which is our how is a virus attacked. Now, when you come to this part, virus can be attacked to a system in many different ways. One possible and most famous way is by the storage devices. Using USB cards, SD cards, hard disks. What happens is when you have a pen drive at hand, when someone gives you to check that there is a document, we normally put it directly to the system. In that kind of a format, the virus can be given to the system. And the second one is the internet links. We get emails saying that you have won 100 crores, 10 crores, 1 crore, and all. Click this link to enter your details, kind of a things, or check your details, or check the prize money. What happens is when you click that link, a Trojan virus is being sent to the system when you click that link. So never do that. And the third one is public Wi-Fi's. Railway stations, bus stations, coffee shops, internet centers. When you connect your system or a laptop to these public Wi-Fi's, what happens is there are n number of users who can actually access this Wi-Fi. So they may send you a phishing attack, telling that click this or log in with your Facebook. So what happens is they can create a virtual page similar to Facebook or any other bank accounts kind of a things. And when you enter your details into that website, automatically the person who is sending that website can access your username and password. So my request, don't use public Wi-Fi's. The third part is, let's jump into the code. We will see how actually a virus looks. So this is a small virus where it is telling echo of means this is a batch programming. We use echo for printing and I am making it off. So I don't want to print anything to the system. Once I activate this virus, automatically it should run. And you can see there is a small colon with a X where it is my looping variable, where I have used the same thing at the last line to go back to the loop variable. Okay, So what I'm doing, first I'm creating a variable, and then inside the variable I'm starting my MS Paint, CMD, Notepad, Explorer and Calc. What happens is it will first open all these five things, and again it is seeing a command go to X. When it again go to X, it will go to this particular point, and then it will again start opening all these things n number of times. What what happens when it opens n number of times? Not only these things, you can basically open up all the softwares or all the programs which are installed in your system with this program, and it will eat a lot of RAM. It will consume a lot of RAM. When it consumes a lot of RAM, your system will automatically become slow. And if it opens one or two times, it will become slow. This program is not stoppable. You can't stop it. So what happens is it will open hundreds of thousands of times. Automatically, your system will hang and it may lead to crashing of the system. Once the system is crashed, either you have to restart your system or something may bad happen. So what happens is your system will completely may not be working. Your OS may get crashed. So my advice, this is only for educational purpose. Don't try it with any other systems. Just know how a virus looks, so that when you see these kind of a programs, you know that it is a virus. You can keep it off the tracks. So after doing all this, you save this particular file as something like games.bat, and you save it. When you save it as games.bat, let me show you what happens. The file will be saved in the format of a setup file, so that it is having the name of a game, so anyone will accidentally click it. I'm not going to click it because I don't want to crash my system. I know what happens. So this is only for education purpose. Don't try it with any of the systems. Okay. And how do you actually prevent this? Keep your antivirus always up to date. What happens is some kind of viruses, these kind of viruses are a bit hard to detect, but some antiviruses may detect these kind of programs also. May, I'm not 100% sure. And the next one is clean your PC for potential threats now and then. Why? Because you don't know, you may have accidentally downloaded few files from internet. You may thinking it is just a document. You can embed a virus inside a document. So now and then when you're cleaning your potential threats, what happens is those kind of things will get notified, and you can completely delete them. You can send it to quarantine and completely delete them. And never click any unwanted links. 100 rupees, you 1000 rupees, 10,000 rupees. No, never do that. What happens is they embed a virus into those links, and they'll ask you to log in through Facebook or Gmail. They can see all your details. Never do that. Okay. And the last one, when you plug in any kind of a USB or a storage device, before you open it, scan it. Normally, we never do this, we'll ignore what will happen. My request, always scan a USB when you insert it in the system, because it will lead to a lot of problems if you don't. Okay. Yes, this is only for education purpose. Never try this at anyone's system, not even your own system, under your own risk if you want to. And people who are using this, please be careful. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Let's see tomorrow or whenever it is possible. And my next video will be something called the most favorite virus, or my most deadliest virus that I have seen or I have created in the recent times. And this particular virus is called as an application bomber, because applications keep up popping continuously. And when I say virus, it is not like a virus will come and completely crash your system. It is not like that. Suppose you got caught into some kind of virus to your body. a flu or a malaria kind of thing, what happens? Your system, your body will start malfunctioning. Means unwanted cold, fever, all these things will happen. The same way, even for the system, if a virus has been attacked, what happens is unwanted things will start happening. So that is a signal for you that your system is being attacked by virus. Clean it safely. Okay, people, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye bye.